Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips, just like the logo says. And guess what we do here on this channel? Well, we do some reviews and we do some tech tips. But what might set us apart from some of the other channels you subscribe to is that we deal with a wide array of categories. Some of our reviews deal with gadgets and gear and electronics and things to help your AV presentations be even better. On occasion, we'll take you out into the backyard and onto your back patio to look at furniture and lawn equipment and home security systems. A couple of our reviews have taken us underwater, literally. And then sometimes we step over onto the green grass of the golf world for reviews of golf products and innovations. In other words, we kind of do a little bit of everything and would love to have your feedback, because if there's a particular product or a particular category you'd like some insight on, just leave it in the comments below. We'll also open that invitation up for anybody who wants to kind of get some insight through a tech tip. Maybe there's a software program that's driving you crazy and you really need to figure out how it's supposed to work. We might be able to help with that as well. So it's all under the heading of Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. I'm glad you're here. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and let us know how we can help you.